Hello everyone, in the last video, I was already batch create 2 XLogin browsers and batch import Gmail cookies. Now I will use these 2 browsers to register multiple Walmart accounts. First, in the XLogin client, select the first browser. Right-click and select Edit Profile. Click Setting Browser Server. The port is 5510. In Other Configurations, enable synchronization settings. Then select the second browser. Right-click and select Edit Profile. Also, click Setting Browser Server. Please note the port is 5511. In Other Configurations, enable synchronization settings. Close the page. Then select these 2 browsers. Right-click and select Launch Browser. As the Gmail cookie was imported in advance, here no password login to the Gmail. In the first browser, enter the Walmart website. Click on Sign In. Then click Sign In or Create Account. Fill in the Gmail account. Click Continue. Fill in your name. Create a password for your account. Then scroll down the screen and click Create Account. Here click Save to store the account password. Now the first Walmart account is registered completely. Next, create a second Walmart account. Open the Walmart website in the second browser. Click on Sign In. Click Sign In or Create Account. And fill in another Gmail account. Click Continue. Fill in the name. Set a password for the second Walmart account. Scroll down the screen and click on Create Account. Here saves the account password. Now both Walmart accounts are registered. Both Walmart accounts can be logged in at the same time and are not associated with each other. The video on how to register multiple Walmart accounts on XLogin Fingerprint browser is demonstrating here. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.